Welcome back. It's time to do some more Jeep stuff. Obviously. Check it out. I got another box in the mail. Let's go open it up. And here we are, another box. 'Tis the season. We have, some people might know what this is. The drop brackets for the control arms. Nice. Whole box. Again, I went super cheap. This is the one I got from Amazon. Went for the cheapest I could find. I know I can get some other brands here, but this one was only $78. You can't really beat that. At first glance, everything appears to be inside. And on the site on Amazon, it actually says that they don't include the instructions for some reason. I am going to install this using the instructions from Rough Country. That's the other brand I was going to get. The only difference I see so far is that the RC is not cut out, but Soul is better. Maybe I put a sticker on there or something. Hey, wait a minute. There's no stickers. Everything's all opened up on box except all this. I'll leave this till later. Looks like everything's all here. I guess it's a Kafu brand? Kafu, however you say that. At first glance, it looks pretty decent. I mean, the welds look okay. I'm going to do the arms, the upper arms that I got, and this all at the same time. Now, this is going to be maybe a two-part video or something. Also, went to good old Harbor Freight and picked up one of these guys, because I know my caster angle is going to be a little fun to adjust. Don't really want to get lost or anything, so I went ahead and made a list. Put down all my numbers, what we're doing. Remove the driver's side upper control arm. I'm going to look into the bushing, see if we need to replace that. Hope not. Bushing actually looks like it's still kind of good. I know it's got some cracks, but it's still probably all right. Let's see. Next, we're going to go ahead and adjust the upper control arm and reinstall it. My arm here, currently I'm sitting at a upper control arm of 15 inches long. That's stock, that's standard. Once we get the brackets in, they are still going to be 15 inch. Or some charts actually say 15.11. I found a few sources, and this is kind of what I'm going to start off with, just to get it close. And that's when I'm going to start putting in all the bracketry. So that's what we got going on right now. I guess more coming later. Part 2.